Room tour 7708, Independence of the Seas. 5D balcony, corner aft. Pretty basic balcony. Got your closet over here. Standard bathroom over here. A small couch, double couch. So this one I imagine is about 179 square feet. And your standard stuff here. Got my Crown and Anchor amenities, cookies and petite fours or whatever. But the reason I booked this was this enormous balcony. Look at that. Just like the corner afts on the Mariner that I had not too long ago. Let's go take a look. And you can see it's quite spacious. So a portion of it you can consider obstructed if you look that way, but don't look that way. Look here, and it's not obstructed. There's grills. And you even have an area, all this is undercover, so even if it's raining, you can be out here. And you have another portion over here on the side. You could look out, and it's unobstructed here, see? So there you go, 7708. It's beautiful.